Let's talk about electric radiant heaters. How do they work? Where do they shine? And why they're a smart choice for both residential and commercial spaces. Radiant heaters use infrared energy to warm people and objects directly, not just the air. It's the same gentle sun-like heat you feel from a campfire, instant, quiet, and deeply comfortable. Instead of blowing warm air, these heaters emit infrared waves that warm whatever they touch, making them perfect for a drafty, open, or partly enclosed space. Radiant heaters are incredibly versatile. You'll find them in patios and outdoor dining areas, workshops, warehouses, loading docks, lobbies, entryways, even greenhouses or small animal shelters. They're ideal for spot heating and situations where traditional heat just doesn't cut it. King Electric offers several radiant heater models to fit a range of needs. SmartWave carbon fiber plug-in, compact, plug-and-play infrared heat with an IP55 weather protection rating. Great for patios or personal zones. SmartWave hardwired 208-240 volt. Featuring durable Carbon IQ heating elements rated for 10,000 hours and offers up to 4,500 watts per unit, ideal for larger outdoor areas. OKH series, a heavy-duty Inconel tubular element heater for indoor or outdoor use, perfect for loading docks, hangars, or stadiums where they're protected. OKB series with an Incolloy tubular element and designed for indoor spot heating applications where the mounting height is relatively low. Inconel elements need to be protected from the wind, where SmartWave elements can be exposed to the wind without a reduction in their performance. Radiant heaters deliver instant warmth with no waiting time, silent operation, no fans or motors, energy efficiency through direct targeted heat, allergy-friendly performance with no moving parts. When helping customers, ask a few key questions. Is the space indoors, outdoors, or semi-enclosed? Use SmartWave for outdoor use. OKB or OKH for indoor or heavy-duty areas. Whole room or spot heating. Spot heating may need multiple smaller units. Large rooms may need higher wattage models. Wall-mounted, ceiling-mounted, or portable. Plug-in SmartWave for fast setup. Hardwired options for permanent installation. Are noise or aesthetics a concern? Recommend the sleek, silent SmartWave carbon fiber heaters for visual appeal. Need help choosing the right model? Call King Electric. Our product advisors are ready to help.